This is the ultimate onboarding guide to Arbitrum. Arbitrum is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum designed to improve transaction speed and reduce fees. If you are new to Arbitrum and you want to get started, this guide will walk you through the onboarding process. Step 1 is to set up an Ethereum wallet. Before using Arbitrum, you need an Ethereum wallet. Popular options include MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Zerion Wallet. Make sure your wallet is compatible with Ethereum to access the Arbitrum blockchain. Then you need to add the Arbitrum network. Arbitrum operates as a separate network on top of Ethereum. To access it, you will need to add the Arbitrum network to your wallet. You can do that easily by using chainlist.org, connecting your wallet, and then adding the Arbitrum blockchain. Now that you have added the Arbitrum network, you can transfer your Ethereum ETH from the Ethereum mainnet to Arbitrum by using the bridge provided by Arbitrum to make the transfer. Visit the Arbitrum bridge on their official website, connect your wallet to the Arbitrum network using the provided connection button, and select the amount of ETH you want to transfer. Then you confirm the transaction. Once your ETH is on Arbitrum, you can start using the network. Here are some common activities you can do. The first is trading. You can trade tokens on Arbitrum-based decentralized exchanges like Swap. So you simply connect your wallet to the Arbitrum network and start trading with lower fees and faster confirmation time. 2 is yield farming. If you are into DeFi, Arbitrum offers various yield farming opportunities. So check out DeFi platforms that have deployed on Arbitrum for higher yields. This is also available on Swap. NFTs are a big thing on Arbitrum. So explore NFT marketplaces on Arbitrum to buy, sell, or trade non-fungible tokens. Some popular NFT projects have expanded to the Arbitrum network. Also, many decentralized applications and blockchain games are now available on Arbitrum. Follow Arbitrum on social media platforms and keep an eye on the Arbitrum official social media channels and website for updates, news, and announcements. And that's it. Enjoy the benefit of faster transactions and lower fees while exploring the world of decentralized finance, NFTs, blockchain games on the Arbitrum network. By following the steps above, you can now easily onboard to Arbitrum and experience the advantages of this layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Enjoy your journey in the world of blockchain technology with improved efficiency and affordability. See you in the next video.